Click File in the top left corner, then in the drop-down box select Security. A new window will appear. At the bottom of the window select Add. A form will appear for you to fill out the last name, first name and telephone numbers of the user. Select the role in which you want to give the user. This can be supervisor, administrator, or just user. Give the user a password. This can be reset at a later time. This is what the user will use to access the software. Select the applicable boxes from the feature list that you want the user to have access to within your company. Select User Rights at the top of the screen. This will bring up a list of modules. Select the modules you wish your user to have access to. Click Save at the bottom of the screen. You have now added a new user to your software.